Hello everyone, welcome to Silica Mag. If you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you really like this video. For this project we need a stretchy fabric, as you can see here. So for this twisted wrap skirt, first we need the to take the measurement, and then we will make a simple pencil skirt pattern, and step by step I will show you all the calculations, measurements, and drafting and cutting and stitching. So don't skip the video. And so let's just start with the measurement. And first we need the waist measurement. On your waist you can take here, and I'm taking a measurement for this dummy, and you can see here my waist measurement is 26. So don't need here, just you have to put 2 fingers inside to make it easy. Then we need the hip measurement, and my hip here is 33. And then the total length is totally depend on your choice. Here I'm making it 17 inches, and in centimeter I will write on the screen. And hemline is 26. So these are our measurements. So let's start drafting. First we need a piece of paper. On that we will make here. So first fold it like this way, and first thing is I'm just marking here to make it smooth. Now first is our waistline. That is obviously we will divide our waist by 4, so I get here 6.5. After that, next is this distance, that is 6 from waist to hip, or otherwise you can measure according to your body, but 6 is standard. Now I just mark here the hip line, that is again 33 divided by 4, so 8.25 is my hip line. Now I'm marking here the hemline, that is 26, and you can divide it by 4, so it is 6.5. because it is a pencil skirt, the base of our skirt is a pencil skirt, so it is narrow from the down. So that's how our basic pattern is ready. And then we will make here the twist and wrap, all these things I will show you. And here on the waistline I just make here a little curve. So now I'm just cutting my pattern. And guys, if you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, so every time I will upload a video you will get notifications. So now I just place my fabric on 2 fold, and place my pattern on this after opening the pattern, and pin up it properly. And after that I added half of inch both sides for the seam allowances, and that's how I just cut the basic of my skirt. Now I just remove all the pins and just mark the center. So and just take one piece, so on that we will make our design. So let's suppose this is our front part, this is the center of my waist, and now I will take another piece that is extra here, and just place it like this way from your sides. And widthwise it is a bit less, but no worries because we don't need so much here. So but lengthwise it is bigger than our actual piece. So that's how you just place a rectangle piece of fabric. Now I'm going to mark here 4 inches down, and on this point I will start placing my fabric here, and I will make here small place and will pin up it properly to make here a twisted shape, the initial step of this shape. So after placing it properly here, we will pin up each and every plate here. Basically guys, this design is for draping. Draping is something that designer do on the dummy, and they fix their this fabric, this pleating on the dummy or mannequin, but I'm telling you a way that obviously everyone don't have a dummy or mannequin at home. So another way is to spread and splash method of pattern making, and that is also a bit tricky for the beginner. So I'm telling you here a very basic type of pattern or method, so every even beginner can follow. So now I'm just marking here like this way, and almost a little bit more than the mid I just mark here this line. This is all designing, so see, almost 7 to 8 inches I just mark here, and then cut it vertically as well, and stop here till your this gathers. And now it's time to remove all your fabric, but before that make sure you also cut the side, because our side is a little curvy, so also cut from there. Now just remove all these pins and remove this fabric. Now it's time to fold it like this way, and here we will mark here a bit curve. I will show you how you can do that. See, here we need this shape, and after making this shape we need to stitch this exact shape. And you can see here my fabric is folded only on this part, and I will cut extra, and see, that's how you need to do it. But before stitching on the top of this shape, you need to leave 1 inch opening. Don't stitch this 1 inch. See, till here you just need to stitch. Now this shape is ready, and we will make sure that we stitch all the edges as well. You can fold and stitch all the 3 edges here, so that our finishing will be good. And now I'm taking another piece that is 15 inches is wide and 5 inches is length, and just take this rectangle type of piece, and also make sure that you fold all 4 edges here, so the finishing will be good. Now the next step is to make our design on our basic skirt. So guys, just take again your first the front piece of your actual skirt. Now place this fabric here and pin up it properly, and after that see, this is a little longer because this is the effect we want here. Pin up it properly, and after that we will take the other rectangle piece and we will pass it through this hole, that 1 inch hole, and twist it like this way here, and pin up it here, this side, that rectangle piece here, like this way. And we will stitch here the sides first, and after stitching the sides we will place the back side of our skirt on this. That's how you need to place it, like this way, and then again we will stitch the sides. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, so every time I will upload a video you will get a notification. And if you are absolute beginner, you can check in my playlist. I already uploaded a complete tutorial for beginners. Now it's time to make our belt. For here, first you need to measure your belt, and that is see, that's how you need to measure your total belt. And then take according to that your piece of fabric, and it should be like 2 inch wider in the lengthwise. And see, this is 30 inches, so I'm taking here on fold the 15 inches of this fabric, and half inch I'm leaving here for the stitching, and just mark this one and just cut here from here. And this is our belt, and belt is depend on your choice. You can now make the side zip but here I'm putting the elastic. So but if you want to see the side zip method, you can check in my playlist. See, now I just take this elastic and will stitch from the center. Now it's time to attach the elastic. So first attach the side with the side, mark the side, and attach side with the side and center with the center, and pin up it properly, and then we will stitch it first, and after stitching we will attach this piece with our skirt. So now you can stretch the elastic and see, this is our belt. Now you can just attach this with your skirt, and the hemline of the skirt also you can just fold and stitch this. So guys, this is a very easy method to make this beautiful looking skirt. So hope you like this tutorial. If anything is not clear, please let me know in the comment section. See, that's how you need to attach the belt here. You just pin up it properly. And guys, please don't forget to give your feedback. Please at least press a thumbs up button if this video is really helpful for you, and if you don't like this video, please give me your feedback, what I need what I need to improve in my upcoming tutorials. So your feedback is really very important for me. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. So this is the final look. As you can see here, a very beautiful design. Please like and share. Thank you.